Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my cooking is fried chicken and boiled soybean with ginger. Ingredients: chicken 250 gram, salad oil teaspoon 1, soybean 100 gram, ginger sliced several pieces, onion slices sliced 50 gram, water 1 cup, sugar teaspoon 1, soy sauce teaspoon 1, sake for cooking teaspoon 1. How to cook it? Heat a pan. Pour salad oil into the pan. Fry chicken for about 3 minutes. Add soybean 100 gram and egg into the pan. Boil them about 20 minutes. Remove ginger from the pan after cooking ingredients well. That's all. Now it's time to eat. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu. This is chicken 250 gram, sliced onion, ginger sliced, and pack of beans about 70 or 100 gram, and sugar, salad oil, soy sauce, and water 1 cup. Put on the fire. Heat the pan. Pour salad oil, several drops. Fried chicken. Add soybean. Sliced onion and ginger. Water 1 cup. soy sauce teaspoon 1, and sugar teaspoon 1. Woo! Mix them. And boil them about 20 minutes. Today is my cooking has been finished. It's time to eat. Steamed rice as usual, fried chicken and boiled beans. It's a very simple cooking for a single man. Bon appétit! Itadakimasu!